What does it look like when a dam cleans its own arteries? This is the Xiaolangdi Dam in China, releasing millions of tons of muddy floodwater in seconds. But this isn't just for show, it's part of a carefully planned sediment flushing system. Each year, the dam opens its floodgates to clear built-up silt from the Yellow River. Without this, sediment would choke the riverbed, raise water levels, and trigger devastating floods. The roar you hear isn't just water, it's massive amount of silt being blasted downstream. Turbines are paused during this process because this operation isn't about power, it's more about survival. And with flow rates reaching over 6,000 cubic meters per second, this controlled chaos keeps one of China's oldest rivers alive. Would you dare stand anywhere near it when it opens?